Back to the channel. It's your girl Crownedbydess, and as y'all read by the title, we're doing these heart part knotless braids. Found my inspo on Instagram, Mia on the hair. Go follow her, y'all. She's a beast. So what we're going to be doing, as y'all know, the heart part braids have just been going viral for since summertime. So she decided to create a style where the whole head is hearts and then you make it into a knotless braid. It's fire, y'all. And I can't wait till y'all see the end result because I did that big purr. Okay, so what we're going to do, you're going to do a square, as y'all can see, and we're going to part it down the middle. One side is going to be one half of the heart. The other side is going to be the other side of the heart. And then, as y'all can see, I have it like diagonal. That's where it's going to curve at. Follow along now. And then we're going to braid that thing up. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance. Y'all see me moving the camera a lot. I tried to cut it as much as I could, but I was trying to get them angles for y'all. Okay, so go ahead and braid it, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Really, we're going to do the same thing on every single heart, but I'll be back to talk to y'all. All right, y'all. So this part is where I'm doing the knotless braid. And on this heart, I did not add any hair to those cornrows because this section of her hair is thick. And I wanted all the hearts to kind of be the same thickness. Now, the next heart, I do add in hair because that part is thinner. So you guys will have to just base that on the client that you're doing. I'm just adding the hair for the length here. And I add the hair under. Some people do add it over, but I go under. Alright guys, so this part I'm just showing you guys how I sectioned out the next row. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how many hearts it is in total. In this back, you can see it's 3 hearts. This middle row is gonna have 4, and that top section is gonna have 4. Again, this is a child, so her head is smaller, so you would just do it based off whoever is sitting in your chair. You might have to do more hearts, or you might have to do another row. You're just gonna have to, you know, plan it out. But altogether, it's 11 hearts in her head. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting close to the end. These 2 hearts that's going to be right here, I'm going to braid them at an angle so they could fall a certain way, like closer to her face and fit the frame of her face. Now, the rest of the hearts, I still did braid them brick layer just so it wouldn't be so spacey, because it's not that many knotless braids. Like I said, it's only 11, and you just don't want it to look spacey, and it just is not giving what it's supposed to give. So I still did brick layer it. So these 2 I'm braiding at an angle, and like I said, once you decide your 2 halves for the heart, you're going to split that diagonal and start braiding upward. That's what I'm doing now, braiding upward, and then I'm curving because that's going to make the heart shape. So that's what I'm doing there. Okay, guys, so we're coming up. I'm on the last braid, and I just wanted to point out that those two braids right there, as you can see, I braided them at an angle so it could fall down into her face, and I'm just adding the hair at the end. I'm just feeding it in. Like I said earlier, I just go ahead and I add my hair in at the bottom, and then I just braid it in for the thickness and the length. The hair that I used was Xpressions, I want to say in a 26-inch, and then I just cut it in half and I feathered the ends. I'm dipping the hair in hot water. This kettle I got off Amazon a few years ago and it's still doing good. Those beads I got from my local beauty supply store. All the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. On each braid I did put 5 beads, and I just tie it off with a rubber band and then cut the excess hair off. That's what I'm doing there. And like I said, each one has 5. She chose that number. I try to let her choose as much things as she can so she could feel like she's a part of the style. So she wanted 5 beads, and that's what we did. Now look at this final look, y'all. This bomb, yes, did that. It's cute. It's different. Shout out to Mia on the hair for coming up with this, because she did that. And look at them braids, Chris. Make sure you guys like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to your girl channel. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.